Hello, hello students. Good afternoon, all of you. My name is Tezip sir, and today I am teaching you maths. Okay, this video is for a standard third, and today I am going to teach you chapter number first, place value. Yesterday we are done place value chapter, and we are today going to the again new topic in the place value. Okay, now I am starting here the new topic comparing the number. Okay, now remember sign, we are always remember this sign in the maths. Okay, I am given here the full name and all words of meaning. Okay, now here is the see my cursor. Okay, greater means this type of arrow is a greater than. Okay, it's called a greater than. What is the meaning of greater than? Greater side, it means a greater number. For example, 10 is a greater than number, and a less number, less means 1. Understood? Less means chota number, or greater means bada number. Greater than means a greater number or greater side, and then a less than it means a small side and small numbers. Understood? Greater than means for example 10 number, and less than means a 1 number. So this arrow is this arrow is our us to told us a greater than, it means a greater side, and this arrow is our tell us our small side. Now this is a what? Equal to means equal, 10 and 10, so equal numbers, no difference. Understood? Then after we are going the further different numbers of digit. I hope you are understood betterly. Greater than and less than, greater than and less than. Again I am explaining here, comparing numbers. Two signs are here compulsory. Remember the sign. First sign is here with sign greater than, then less than, then after equal to. Greater than means a greater number, greater side, and then after less than means less means smaller side or small number. Greater means big, large, and less means smaller. Understood? Okay, equal means equal to. We have, whenever we are completed the sum, we are put the equals to. Equal to means is equal to. Understood? Okay, now we are going the further topics. Now we are going the further topics. Different numbers of digit. Different number of digit. Here one example I am explaining you all students. Different number of digit. Example: the National Library of India at Kolkata has a 280 at least and a 3600 rare taxis. It means in Kolkata has 280 atlases and 3600 rare taxis. Are there more atlases or taxis in the library? Okay, so now what we are doing here, we are doing only comparing the numbers. So now answer is what here? See, there are more rare taxis than the atlas in the national libraries. How many numbers are here? I think you all are remember the place value chart. So here place value chart, first of all 1000, then after 100, then after tens and ones. So let's check here. We are, first of all they give in example 280 means 3 digit, 100 tens and 0, then after 1000, 100 tens and 0 means 3600. Okay, then we are going the further. So answer is what here? Greater than. Our answer is what here? See now, the number with more digits is always to the greater than. It's now here a big number. Which big number? 1000, 3600, and is a greatest number, and 280 is a less number, means a smaller number. Understood? Then after we are going the further. Same number of digit. We are learn the which sign? greater than. Now we are here, which sign learn? Same number of digit. Okay. Now I am telling you here same number of digit. Compare the thousand place first. What we are compare one by one digit means first of all we are checking the thousand, then after we are check 100, then after we are check the tens, and then we are check the ones. So now we are compare the thousand place first, then we are 100 place second, and then we are 10 place third, and then 1 place fourth. Okay, compare one by one. We are all are digit the comparing with other digits. Example: the highest cricket ground in the world. Highest cricket ground in the world is in the Chali, Himachal Pradesh, at the height of 2,444 meter. How many? How long? 2,444 meter. Another cricket ground is the began planning to at Lahul Spiti, also is the Himachal Pradesh, at a height of 3,120 meters. On a completions is a which among them will be a higher cricket grounds. Now we are checking here which ground is a big. It means a large. Understood? So now we are only check the which ground is a bigger. The first ground is height of 2,444, and second ground's height is 3,120 meters. Okay, so we are writing here as like that. We are writing as like that in a chart formations. Okay, so now we are writing here chart formation. First of all, we write the 1,000, then after 100, tens and ones. So we write the first 1,000 place 3. Okay, let's we check here 3,120 meters. Okay, so we write the first 3,122. So I am writing here 3,120. Okay, then after first हिमाचल वाला जो ग्राउंड है वो उसकी हाइट कितनी है? 2,444. Okay, so now let's we check here. Since 3,000 is big or 2,000, so 3,000 is greater than 2,000, and then we check the hundreds place. 100 place is which? 120, and here 400. So what big is here? 400. But first which place here we count? 1,000. So the 1,000 is big to 3,000 is greater than 2,000. So we are put here the sign of greater than. Okay, got my points? Then we write here answers. Answer: the cricket ground at Lahul Spiti will be higher than the cricket ground of Chali. It means 2,444 है ग्राउंड से उससे बड़ा 3,122 वाला है. It's our answer. If the thousands are same, completes our hundreds. First of all, what we are comparing is number 1,000. Then we are compare the hundreds. Then we are compare the tens, and then we are compare the ones. Okay. Now we are going the further. Okay. Now we are going the further. Okay. If the thousands are same, compare the hundreds. Now what we are comparing here? Hundreds. First of all, what we are comparing? First of all, we are comparing the hundreds, thousands, and then we are comparing after hundreds. First of all, again I am telling you, first of all we are comparing here the 1,000, then after we are comparing here hundreds, and then we are comparing tens, and then we are comparing what ones. Okay, now one more example of here. If the thousands are same, what 1,000 place digit are same. Okay, if the thousands are same, so what we are doing? Compare the hundreds. Understood? So now both thousands are here same. See my cursor. both 1000 means 7124 and 7639, both digits are same. So let's we check here the 100. So 100 means here which 124 and here 629. So which number is greater or biggest here? 6. Understood? So let's we have write here what? 7639. See now, since what they write and same. Understood? So answer is 7124 less than 7000. No, it's greater than that. 7124, it's greater than 7639. Okay, I hope you are understood betterly. Again, I am telling you all students, don't forget your place value chart. Okay, now we are going the further second page. Okay, compare the tens. Okay, first of all, what we are compare 1000 and then we are compare the hundreds. Now we are comparing here what? A tens. We are comparing here the tens when the 1000 and hundreds are same. For example, 1000, see my arrow here, 3 is the 1000 both side and 7 is 100, both are same. So what we are checking here? We are checking here a tens and then we are what we are checking here? Ones. Understood? So now I am read the first four digit 3784. So here we are checking the tens place. Okay, and then here we are checking the tens place. Here 8 and 6. So first four digits are greater than to above 4 digits. So now here answer is 3784 is greater than to 3762. Got my point? It's a very and easy trick. Okay, now shortcut, they give a shortcut. Which shortcut? Since 8 is a greater than to 6 is a greater than, no, but greater not comes, there are less than. Okay, so 3784 greater than to 3716 2. Okay, then we are going the further, compare the ones. Okay, one by one step we are doing here all students. Okay, first of all, what we are comparing first, we are comparing the first 1000, then we comparing the hundreds, then we comparing tens, and then we comparing the ones. Okay, we have done the thousands, then we have done the hundreds, then we have done the tens, and now what we are doing here? Now we are doing ones. Compare the ones when all the other digits are same. Example, first of all we write here what? Place value chart. Okay, so we are writing here 5283. Don't forget to write and top side of the short form of all place value, thousands, hundred, tens and ones. 5283. Then we write 5287. So now let's we check here only one, since 3 is biggest number or 7 is biggest number. So we are here decide which number is a greater. Okay, bigger or greater. So 7 is a greatest number. So answer is here 5283 is greater than to 5287. Okay, less than and greater than. Can we go now? We are going the further topics. Okay, now we are going the further topic. Which topic is further our? Okay, now further topic is biggest and smallest number. Biggest means greatest, highest number, and smaller means a small means smaller number. So now we are here find the biggest number. Biggest means what? Bigger number. 3000. Here see, where is my cursor? Here is my cursor. So now 3569. and then 3486. So one by one we are checking the place. 9, 6, 7, 8, 5, 4, 3, 3, 3 and 3 both are same. 5 and 4. 5 is a big and 4 is small. 6, 8. 8 is a which number? Biggest number. 9 and 6. 9. 9 is the biggest number. So biggest number is here what? 3516 9. Okay, as like that. On the second place, 3569, 3486. Then here 3569 and then after 3486. Understood? So now let's we check here the 2000 is the smallest number in a 1000. 2000 is the smallest. See, 2000 is the smallest number in the 1000 place. So remove 2879 from the list. हमें यहाँ पर क्या करना है? तो छोटा नंबर है उसे रिमूव करना है. Then compare the hundreds. Compare the hundreds. In the hundreds place, 500 greater than to 400. So 3569 is the biggest number. Understood? I hope you are understood. Again I am explaining you. Your new topic is a biggest and a smallest number. So here question number first, 3569, then dots 3486, then 2879. Find the biggest number. We have to find the biggest number on they give a 4 digit numbers in here. So let me check here. 3569 is bigger to 3486, and then is a small, means the smallest number 2879. It is the smallest number, less number. Okay. So now only we are see the which number is the biggest number. Okay, which number is the biggest number? Which number is the biggest number? We are checking here. Then we are going the further exercise. Okay, as per today we are going the further lectures on today and tomorrow I'll teach you exercise number 1B. Okay, I hope you are betterly understood my lectures. Okay, thank you all of you.
Hello my dear kids, I hope you are doing well. Now today we are going to learn place value and face value. This video will be in Hindi and English also, because I am going to use the Hindi plus English, because some of you have asked me for the Hindi language, but I'm not having that much time to make two videos in Hindi and English, so I will try my best. Okay, so without wasting time, let's start. And format of this video is somewhat different, as I am teaching in classes like that only I am teaching here. I am using book for this, so it is syllabus covering video. If you are giving proper attention, then you will understand it better. Okay, place value and face value. Each digit of a number has a place value and face value. जो कि नंबर होते हैं, उन नंबर्स में जो भी डिजिट्स होते हैं उनकी फेस वैल्यू होती है एक, और एक होती है प्लेस वैल्यू. ओके, नाउ द प्लेस वैल्यू ऑफ डिजिट डिपेंड्स ऑन इट्स प्लेस. ओके, डिपेंड्स ऑन इट्स प्लेस इन द नंबर. इट इज रीड फ्रॉम राइट टू लेफ्ट. ओके, ऐसे पढ़ते हैं हम उसको ऐसे. ओके, when we are reading, now let me take the example of 200. Let me write it again. Okay, now see, 284. Okay, 284 we have written. Now see, if we are asking someone for the प्लेस वैल्यू ऑफ दिस 8. ओके, प्लेस वैल्यू ऑफ दिस 8. अभी ये 8 कहाँ पे खड़ा है, ये 8 कहाँ पे है, इस पे डिपेंड करती है इसकी प्लेस वैल्यू, ना कि 8. देखो, जो फेस वैल्यू होती है, ओके, जो फेस वैल्यू होती है, इट इज़ द value of that number itself. Okay, the face value of the digit is value of digit, is the value of digit. जो फेस वैल्यू होती है वो उस डिजिट की ही वैल्यू होती है. अगर हम फेस वैल्यू पूछे इस 2 की तो 2 ही रहेगी, 8 की 8 ही रहेगी और 4 की 4 ही रहेगी. लेकिन अगर हम बात करते हैं प्लेस वैल्यू की, अगर हम बात करते हैं प्लेस वैल्यू की, तो ये डिपेंड करता है उसकी प्लेस पे, वो कहाँ पे खड़ा है वो नंबर. ओके, अगर हम बात कर रहे हैं 8 की, तो 8 कहाँ पे है, ये 4 है. 4 किसकी प्लेस पे है बताओ मुझे अभी. इफ़ वी आर रीडिंग द नंबर, when we are going to read the number, that time we are reading from right to left. Okay, so it is ones, then it is tens, and it is 100. Okay, it is 100. Now see, it is present at ones place. Now 4 value of 4, place value of 4 is 4. Okay, now tell me the place value of this 8. It is present at tens place, that is 8 tens. 8 tens means 80. Okay, the place value of this 8 is 80. Okay, now the place value of this 2, place value of this 2 is, after 2 how many digits are there, 2 digits are there. Okay, so and this 2 is present at which place, ones, tens and 100, that is the 2 is present at hundreds place. Okay, so value of this 2 is 200. Okay, so value of this 2 is 200. Now like this we are taking out the place value of the number. I hope it's clear to you. If you have not understand, just mention in comment box. Okay, now see here, for this example we will see now how we are going to find the place value for such a example. Okay, now see, 8345. Okay, 8345 is there. Now we have write this number in place value chart, ones, tens, 100 and 1000. Okay, then place value of this 5 is present at ones place, so 5 multiplied by 1, the place value of 5 is 5. The place value of this 4, the place value of this 4, the 4 is present at tens place, 4 is present at tens place, that's why 4 multiplied by 10, that means the place value of this 4 is 40. Okay, now this 3 is present at 100 place. Okay, now the place value of this 3 is 3 multiplied by 100, so place value of this 3 is 300. Now let's see for the 8 is present at thousands place. Okay, so 8 multiplied by 1000, so the place value of this 8 is, तो अभी इस 8 की प्लेस वैल्यू क्या हो गई, इस 8 की प्लेस वैल्यू हो गई 8000. ओके, 8 multiplied by 1000 equal to 8000. Now see how to write the expanded form. अभी एक्सपैंडेड फॉर्म हम कैसे लिखेंगे. अगर आपको प्लेस वैल्यू निकालनी आती है तो आप एक्सपैंडेड फॉर्म बहुत ही इजीली लिख दोगे. अगर नहीं आती तो इसके लिए एक ट्रिक है. ओके, नाउ लिसन केयरफुली. देखो, प्लेस वैल्यू भी आप इस ट्रिक से निकाल सकते हो. 8345 नाउ सी, अभी ये 8 की प्लेस वैल्यू क्या होगी ये हमें निकालना है। 8 के बाद में कितने डिजिट्स है ये आप बताओ मुझे। 8 के बाद कितने डिजिट है यहाँ पे? 1 2 3 डिजिट है। ओके, 8 के बाद यहाँ पे 3 डिजिट है, तो हमें 8 के बाद में सिंपली 3 ज़ीरो पुट करने हैं। ओके, तो 8 के बाद हमने 3 ज़ीरो लगा दिए, तो इसकी प्लेस वैल्यू क्या होगी? 8000। ओके, प्लस अभी 3 की प्लेस वैल्यू निकालेंगे हम। ओके, 3 की प्लेस वैल्यू क्या है? 3 की प्लेस वैल्यू, 3 के बाद कितने डिजिट्स है? 1 2 डिजिट्स है, तो फिर हम 3 के बाद लगाएंगे 2 ज़ीरो, तो फिर 3 की प्लेस वैल्यू क्या होगी? 300। ओके, प्लस अभी इस 4 की प्लेस वैल्यू देखेंगे। 4 की प्लेस वैल्यू क्या होगी? 4 के बाद कितने डिजिट है? ओनली 1। ओके, तो हम एक ही ज़ीरो देंगे, तो 40 होगी। 4 की प्लेस वैल्यू क्या होगी? 40। ओके, नाउ अभी ये जो 5 है, 5 की प्लेस वैल्यू क्या होगी? 5 के बाद कोई नंबर है? नहीं, तो फिर 5 की प्लेस वैल्यू 5 ही रहेगी। ओके, आप इसको ऐसे ही ध्यान में रखो, 1s 10s 100 एंड 1000। ओके, सो 8345। ओके, जब हम इसको पढ़ते हैं तभी हमें एक्सपेंडेड फॉर्म आ जाता है इसका। ओके, नाउ लेट्स लुक एट अदर एग्जाम्पल। See the next example. Now in this example 1805 is there. Now see, we have wrote this number in place value system. Okay, प्लेस वैल्यू चार्ट में हमने उस नंबर को लिख दिया है। अभी देखो ये जो 5 है, 5 कहाँ पे है खड़ा है? वंस की प्लेस पे। ओके, 5 कहाँ पे खड़ा है? वंस की प्लेस में, तो 5 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 1 इक्वल टू 5। दैट मीन्स द प्लेस वैल्यू ऑफ दिस 5 इज 5 ओनली। नाउ 0 इज प्रेजेंट एट टेंस प्लेस। नाउ 0 इज प्रेजेंट एट टेंस प्लेस, 0 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 10 इक्वल टू 0। आपको ये ध्यान में रखना है कि अगर 0, देखो अभी 100 है, ये 100 है। ओके, तो अगर हम 100 में पूछेंगे कि ये वाले 0 की प्लेस वैल्यू क्या है, तो भी 0 आएगी, और ये वाले 0 की प्लेस वैल्यू क्या है, तो भी 0 ही आएगी। 0 कहीं पे भी हो, किसी भी नंबर में, उसकी प्लेस वैल्यू हमेशा 0 आती है। ओके, दिस थिंग यू नीड टू कीप इन योर माइंड। Now see, this 8 is present at 100 place. Now 8 multiplied by 100, that means the place value of this 8 is 800. Now this 1 is present at 1000 place. Now 1 multiplied by 1000, that means 1000 is the place value of this 1. अभी हो गया ये। ओके, प्लेस वैल्यू निकाल ली हमने। अभी फेस वैल्यू जो नंबर होता है वो खुद ही अपनी फेस वैल्यू होता है, वो कहीं पे भी हो, उसका कुछ लेना देना नहीं है उसकी प्लेस से। प्लेस वैल्यू में मैटर करता है कि वो कहाँ पे है, उसकी प्लेस कहाँ पे है। ओके, नाउ सी एक्सपेंडेड फॉर्म ऑफ दिस नंबर। यहाँ पे अभी दिया है 1805। अभी 1805, 1000 लिख दिया हमने इस नंबर के लिए, 1 के लिए। 1 के बाद कितने हैं? 1 के बाद 3 डिजिट है, तो हमने उसके बाद 3 ज़ीरो लगा दिए और लिख दिया 1 प्लस 8। ओके, 8 के बाद कितने डिजिट है? 2 डिजिट है। ओके, तो हमने लिख दिया 800, बिकॉज 2 डिजिट है 8 के बाद में, तो हमने 2 ज़ीरो लगा दिए, उसके बने 800। ओके, 800 हमने बना दिया उसको। नाउ आफ्टर इट 0 इज देयर, आफ्टर इट 0 इज देयर, सो प्लस वी विल नॉट राइट दैट नंबर। ओके, प्लस लिखने की कुछ ज़रूरत नहीं है। प्लस 0 अगर आपको लिखना है तो आप लिख सकते हो, +0 + 5। अगर नहीं भी लिखा आपने तो भी चलेगा। ओके, नाउ सी दिस 0 एंड आफ्टर दैट 0 5 इज देयर। ना 5 के बाद कोई नंबर है नहीं है, सो हम +5 लिख देंगे। दैट मीन्स अगर हम इन नंबर की एडिशन करते हैं तो हमें ये वाला नंबर मिलेगा। ओके, एंड ऑलवेज रिमेंबर वन थिंग, द प्लेस वैल्यू ऑफ अ डिजिट इंक्रीजेस 10 times as you move one place from right to left। इसका क्या मतलब होगा, देखो अगर हम यहाँ से यहाँ जाते, राइट टू लेफ्ट जाते, इस साइड में जाते हैं, तो हर एक नंबर की जो प्लेस वैल्यू होती है वो क्या होती है, 10 times बढ़ जाती है। देखो अगर हम 5 को यहाँ पे मूव करते हैं, उसने क्या बोला है कि अगर हम किसी नंबर को राइट टू लेफ्ट मूव करते हैं, अगर ये 5 जंप करके आ गया यहाँ पे, उछल के यहाँ पे आ गया 5। ओके, ना सी अगर 5 यहाँ पे आता है तो 5 की प्लेस वैल्यू क्या होगी बताओ मुझे। अभी 5 आ गया टेंस के जगह पे, दैट मीन्स 5 टेंस। तो 5 टेंस कितने होते हैं, 50। 5 टेंस कितने होते हैं, 50।